Let me get that out. Hold on. Hola! Welcome back to all my cousins, all my favorite cousins. Today I have the Divine Devon here with me. Say hello, gorgeous. Okay, so today we're going to do a halo eye. Another red and gold look, but it's got more so of a black undertone on the under eye. So I'm excited. And really it's probably just going to be another follow along unless you kind of want to freestyle it at any point. Well, okay, it's going to be another follow along. So
I'm running through your nigga house like the Tomb Raider. You gotta pass around, nigga, he a hot potato. I told him eat it or get out, that's your ultimatum. But stop licking my pussy hard, that shit aggravating. He ain't mine, I just let him eat me out from time to time. Call that pussy booty tang, cause I got the running kind. He can't compare me to none of these bitches. I got that Beyonce, that dream girl that listen. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Go a couple of rounds, leave that dick up in the casket. I ain't wanna take the nigga from you, it just happened. You know I ain't come, boy, if you had to ask me. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Dick on my hand, then I put it in his pants. Get to playing with that cock and make that motherfucker bam. And I walk and I talk like a pimp, cause I am. Allez-vous français, tell my pussy, hey, fancy top, give me head and never rate. Stormy Daniels, head from the head of state. Hey, Tweety Lee, make it clap on his face. Hey, freak, freak, freak nasty. Ain't gon' get no pussy, but he hoping that he do. Walking all over the niggas, so he buy me on my shoes quick. Calling him a trick if he only buy your food. Hey, freak, freak, freak nasty. Ice on my neck, let it drip down my chest. Looking at this motherfucking money make me wet. Rich bitch pussy only come for a check. My contact list look like the yellow pages. I do not say these niggas' names, I remember faces. And I ain't fucked you in a minute, why you still claim me? But if he ever hit this pussy, he gon' still stop me. And if you got a new bitch, why you still calling? And I look better than that hoe, that's why she made you block me. I like to show off for them haters talking bad about me. Trying hard to find a flaw, but you still watching. Hey, freak nasty motherfucker. Kiss with the tongue, I don't wanna fuck a nigga if he ain't hung. He a lot of fun if he eat it night one. If he got a lot of funds, I'ma hit it like, money make me come. Tryna give me some. Looking at these numbers on my checks like, Versace hottie, Creole mommy, she gon' fucking run, but the Stallion get it up. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Go a couple of rounds, leave that dick up in the casket. I ain't wanna take the nigga from you, it just happened. You know I ain't come, boy, if you had to ask me. Freak, freak, freak nasty. Lick on my hand, then I put it in his pants. Get to playing with that cock and make that motherfucker bam. And I walk and I talk like a pimp, cause I am. Hey, pussy wet, diamonds on my neck. I'm a hot girl, so I make these niggas sweat. If you fucking with me, then you fucking with the best. If he say he a dog, I'ma treat him like a pet. Jimmy John neck, told him give it to me quick. Who can love you like me, but nobody can sweat. Rich bitch pussy, I can take you out of debt. Rich bitch pussy only come for a check.
that's why you don't do.
I gotta go get a bed.
And now you know how to make these bitches mad.